Look for people who feel safe and supportive. Pay attention to how people make you feel. If someone drains you or makes you feel small, they're not the right energy. Start small, you don't need to go out and make a dozen friends overnight. Just focus on one person at a time. Be open, but go at your own pace. You don't have to spill your life story right away. Just show up, have conversations, and let things build naturally. If she tries to pin your health issues on your past choices while ignoring her secondhand smoke exposure, you might want a calm, dismissive response to avoid escalating into an argument. That's called a paracognitive conversation or simulated interaction. More casually, people just refer to it as mental rehearsal, imaginary conversations, or inner dialogues. Put yourself in places where connection can happen. That could mean work, a hobby, an online community, a gym, anywhere people naturally gather. It's actually pretty normal. Your brain is practicing different scenarios, predicting responses or processing emotions. Sometimes it's helpful, but if it becomes excessive or distressing, it can be a sign of anxiety or overthinking. Just looking up some science facts for fun, just random brain facts like how learning works. It's not that interesting, just killing time. What's up? If she tries